Hello. To those of you that were able to join us to discuss the progress we've made with the design, it was very nice to see you in person after so long. For those of you who were unable to join us, we've put together this short commentary to accompany the visual information we shared, and we hope to see you soon. You'll remember that the work we had been doing over recent months was to ensure that all your housing needs could be provided within a single decant into your new homes, one where all residents move at the same time. We also explained how your new homes would be distributed throughout the two buildings. We can now discuss with you our initial thoughts on the architecture, how the buildings will look, and also the landscaped areas, both public and the private courtyards. As before, when we last met online in March, we are still looking to provide approximately 438 new homes arranged within 2 perimeter blocks and a new central green space between them. Each will have their own secure private internal courtyard, and each building within the perimeter blocks will have their own secure entrance. The right-hand perimeter has podium parking for the wheelchair homes we are required to provide. Architecture. When we start the detailed design for each project, we look to the surroundings to draw reference from any strong architectural features, and also any to the existing buildings on the site. From our analysis, we can see within the context there are 3 strong architectural features. Along Stepney Way and within the estate to the northwest of our site, the architecture expresses each floor level with a very strong white horizontal line. To the west of Jamaica Street, there is also a horizontality expressed in the architecture. This time the windows have been grouped, which together with the brickwork creates wide alternating horizontal bands of window and brick. To the east, we have an interesting feature. Again, we have a horizontal line at each floor, but here it is broken by brickwork, creating a woven effect. Further afield within the conservation area, 2 things are evident. Firstly, the ground floor is often a different material or colour, and secondly, there is often a strong single horizontal band expressed towards the top of the buildings. From the 3 buildings on the site itself, there is only one common feature, the use of a hit-and-miss brick pattern. We think this is interesting and could be incorporated as a unifying feature in our designs, and have shown how this can be achieved by varying brick colours or how the bricks are laid. How does this relate to the design? We will take this analysis of the surrounding architecture to form concepts for our proposed designs. Here we show where the 3 concepts relate to our proposals. We also show photographs from the context showing these more clearly together with precedent examples in contemporary architecture. Finally, having applied these concepts to a typical elevation, it shows how an individuality can be expressed, but also a commonality that unites them. Here we have shown 3 key elevations: Stepney Way, Jamaica Street and Wellesley Street. The 3 differing expressions of the horizontal bands are clear, as is the expression of the ground floor base, and we have applied a hit-and-miss detail in differing ways for each identity. Firstly, this has been applied to the balustrades of the balconies. Secondly, this has been applied in continuous ribbons around the building. And finally, this has been applied adjacent to the vertical brick piers to strengthen a woven appearance. To finish, you can see 4 key views of our proposals when these architectural concepts and principles are applied throughout the development. These are initial studies and more detailed design is still to take place, but we welcome your thoughts and feedback at this point. Once again, thank you for your time and we hope to see you soon.